Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, here in this video we'll see how to copy cells which already have formulas and paste it at another place, only the values. I'll show you practically. For example, these are the units and these are the unit price. So total will be like I am putting a formula here equal to this into or multiplied by this. So if I enter this, it is coming like 189.05. If I just double click here, then this is the total cost after multiplying these two cells. So as you can see, if I click here, this is showing this formula. And for example, for the year 2020, if I want items like pencil, pens, all these things, I want to make a separate table here having the total cost. So if I copy, Control C and simply paste here, you see it's showing values because as you can see E2 multiplied by F2, when I press here it is coming as H2, the same adjacent cells. It is called relative cell referencing, H2 multiplied by I2, which is nothing but some error message. So how to tackle this problem? So here what you can do while copying, for example, I copy this and I won't simply paste here. I'll rather right click and you can see there is something called 1, 2, 3 or values. So instead of putting or copying the cells as it is directly, you have to click here as values. This 1, 2, 3, as you can see, this symbol is actually values. So if I do this, you can see I click here, you can see in the this bar it is coming 189.05 instead of H2 multiplied by I2. Same happens all over here. So whenever you create a formula or use a formula in any column or any row and you want to copy that into any other sheet as well, for example, if I copy the same into another sheet, the same thing will happen. I put Control C, same, just paste Control V, reference, all this error message will come. But if I copy here and paste it values, I get all the values. So friends, I hope you knew how to copy paste formulas. If you're using formulas to another row, table or sheet, if you want those numbers only, go for right click and paste and select these values. If you do that, you get all the numbers here instead of error message, reference, values, all those things. So friends, I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know this feature of Excel or technique of Excel. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.